What up, y'all? I am sitting on a ton of old ass footage from X Bunker, whose name I will not mention, 2 SSA and 6+ fields in this past like 6 months, right? Yet every time whenever there's a Pew event, I gotta put those videos and things in priority, and that backlogs all my personal projects. And as some of you may know, we just had our first spring rank tournament, so those videos incoming. We did a minor team drill here on this day. Didn't have much time to run this with the team as there were other players and teams that came down, so we just ended up playing with them afterwards. But the drill consists of 2 opposing players that are not allowed to cross the middle line. They have unlimited lives as they battle each other to maximize time and efficiency on the field. But they're required to call out hit each time they're struck just to simply let the other player know that they were on target. At one point, a designated player to call out on the sideline will call out left, center, middle, or right. At this point, both players need to try to knock off the cups, 1 of 3, on opposing end accordingly. Once the cup is down, the player then needs to rush across the middle line through the oncoming fire as the other player most likely is still trying to knock off his or her cup and touch the center block on the other side. So this team drill is sort of meant to work on players' ability to hear call-outs while under stress, and also 1v1 skill, and on top of that, being able to sprint toward oncoming fire. But as I've said, we didn't have much time to run it until we began running normal 5v5 with other teams, so footage in the second half of this video. Now, we don't really have a proper space anymore in the north of Taiwan to train, so this will make things a little bit more difficult, but lucky for us, there is a place now in central Taiwan. So we'll make it work. But anyways, yeah, so this is old footage from a few days at I just mashed it into one, and gameplay will be coming soon too as well, just to get it out of the way. So keep an eye out also for the first spring rank tournament by Pew Logic. That will be coming out soon. All right, see you then. Peace. Go. Left, 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 left. Right, 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 right. Hey. Go! 他没听到。Left， 你有打到吗？碰，去碰，碰中间。哎 ，Go！ 哎 ，I didn't call the cops. Nobody called the cops. You gotta shoot him. I 你要等我喊杯子的时候你才 Go。Go.
Kevin。All right. Go. 所以你看有没有？你看他脚有拉进去一点，有没有？
他自己跑到卡手来打我，很难把我打掉。
啊！
他跑到卡手来打我，很难不把我打掉。他也死掉。
你要小心哦。
我知道。
所以这样就扣25分哦。好 ，OK， 跟你讲一下。Go。嘿 ，Go！ 旗子。